Have you ever looked up at the sky on a bright day and wondered, why is it blue? It's so big and beautiful. But where does that blue color come from?
Wait a second. Why isn't the sky green or something?
That's a great question, scientists. So let's figure it out step by step together. To understand the sky, we first need to understand something very important: sunlight. Sunlight may look white to our eyes, but it's actually made up of many different colors. All those colors are hidden inside the light, just waiting to be seen, like a rainbow. There's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet, all mixed together in sunlight. Now let's take a closer look at what happens when sunlight travels all the way from the sun to Earth and enters our atmosphere. This air is filled with tiny particles that are so small we can't even see them. When sunlight enters the atmosphere, it bumps into all those tiny particles in the air. When light hits those particles and spreads out, that process is called scattering.
Okay, so it's kind of just bouncing around everywhere.
Blue light scatters much more than the other colors because it moves in shorter waves and spreads out in all directions. Other colors like red and orange travel more straight through the air and don't scatter as much as blue light does. So when you look up at the sky, you're actually seeing blue light that has been scattered all across the atmosphere. That scattered blue light fills the entire sky, making it look bright blue during the day no matter where you look. But when the sun starts to go down, the light has to travel through more of the atmosphere, and something different begins to happen. The light travels farther through the atmosphere, so we start seeing reds, oranges, and pinks. Last question, scientists. Which color of light scatters the most in the sky during the day?
Okay, so it's gotta be blue, right?
The answer is blue. Great job, scientists. Keep asking questions, stay curious, and I'll see you next time in Nova's Lab. Thanks for visiting Nova's Lab. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome science content.